Hi guys, if you're at home watching this, we were going to do the same things the next 2 days with taking Evaluate and finishing your pro-con chart. So make sure that you're doing one or the other, Thursday and Friday. It might be better to go ahead and get Evaluate out of the way and at least start that or maybe finish it so that when you're in class on Friday, you can complete it, submit it, and continue working on your pro-con chart, because those charts need to be done by next week, because you are going to insert that information into a little project. I'm on this slide because if you're at home right now, don't forget to do that attendance. You always want to do that. So your objective for today is I can demonstrate understanding of language arts skills by taking Evaluate, or I can identify pros and cons for my topic. How you're going to be successful is taking your time and not rushing, reviewing your Evaluate answers before submitting, graphing and writing in your score, and then looking through the articles that I've provided for you and adding pros and cons. If you find that you cannot find as many that you'd like, then you can find your own sources if you'd like, but make sure that it's not just google.com. That's a search engine, not a website. So if you go to Google and search, banning homework, then make sure that you click on a website to get the information. Don't just click and tell me you got it from Google. So Evaluate, we're already into March. I don't know if we're taking it in May, but we will definitely take it in April. So you want to compare your score today. It's a blue month, so you want to compare it to January and make sure that you graph it in, you write it in, and you take your time. And then when you're done, you want to make sure you graph it. I already said that. You want to bring up your pro-con chart for the argument project. There are also in the do nows there the websites that you can go to. So make sure that you're looking at those websites for whatever topic you've chosen. If you're done with the chart, feel free to check other classes for missing assignments. It's your last chance to turn anything in because it's getting towards the end of the quarter. In fact, next Wednesday, March 10th, is the last day I will take any type of work. And then always, if anything, you can read and do software and make sure you fill in your reading log. So Wednesday, if you join the Google Meet, I showed you what it would look like to fill out your chart. When you go to the website, you want to skim through it. Don't read the whole article. That would take way too long, so don't do that. But you want to make sure that you've filled in your pros and cons as well, okay? Make sure you understand what's good and what's bad to answer your question that you've chosen, okay? So you notice here I've given 2 examples of what would be really good pieces of evidence. You want to look for these quotes. You want to look for numbers. You want to look for experts saying stuff and giving you information. So that's why they're a little bit longer, but you can copy and paste it into your chart. It's just going to make sure that when you do your final project that you're quoting the person, you're citing the evidence and giving them credit. But in your chart, it's okay to copy and paste the information so you're not typing in a bunch of stuff. Now you'll also notice here, this little thing, just saying it helps save money. That's a great reason and all, but that's not factual. So make sure that you're putting in facts into your chart and not just little reasons like this, okay? Prove to me that it helps save money instead of just telling me that, okay? All right, so this is all you're doing for the next 2 days if you are a full-time virtual student. So again, you might want to do Evaluate today, do your pro-con chart tomorrow so that those Evaluate scores get in and that you finish that for the month. So have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys soon.